let's get this meeting started.
We were talking about the comparison before. Now, it's conducted by a major subcomponent of all these.
I can't understand a word he's saying.
What else is new?
We can't hear them, but they can still hear us.
We can't hear you.
Bring it over here, bring it over here. So, now, we're talking about the major payload of the mission, the data link, the ground control. Come on. It's...
I love chips.
Can we just jump back into this thing, please? All right, all specified.
Is addressed.
Yes. Come.
Yeah, she's all twisted up.
Like a pretzel with glasses.
The source document.
Stop! Let me do it. Let me handle it. Now, as I was saying...
I think it disconnected, boss.
Thank you.
Let's see how they do this time. I love this room.
Here we go. Hi. All right, look alive, you guys. Who knows how to get this thing started? I bet it's you. Tina, you ready to get this thing going?
1 second.
And hi. 1 second.
Take your time, guys. It's okay.
They really need to upgrade.
At least we look good.
And we're going. So the UVA close.
It's not quite right.
It's not quite right. It's not quite right. It is not quite. I don't know. It is a lot, Tina. I've never even looked at my face that close before.
That's a big mole.
Wow. This one, huh? Good thing we don't pay her. Oh.
Camera fell.
I can fix it. Can you guys hold on just 1 minute?
Guys, maybe you could just email us